Our idea in EPIC, E-Meter Passionate Innovators Contest, this year was related to enabling the usage data from non-smart meters to be sent to Siemens Energy IP. By non-smart meters, we mean the meters that have no means to send the meter data in an automated fashion. The current way to enable a service distribution point to send its meter data to Energy IP is through smart meters. Typically, Head-end system HES sits between Energy IP and the meter and collects data from the meter. Energy IP then talks to the HES to receive the meter data. However, as Energy IP expands its scope from being only an MDM solution to an IoT platform for the energy management domain, we are seeing more and more use cases where Energy IP directly talks to the meters to other devices without having a hidden system in between. The focus of our idea was to prove that there are cheaper solutions than having to replace the non-smart meter with a smart meter. Our prototype shows one such way of measuring the electricity usage from the blinking LED in an electric meter. The light sensor and supporting infrastructure, we used a Raspberry Pi for the prototype, count the blinks of the LED per unit time to measure the kWh usage and send this data to Energy IP over the internet. Our prototype used the Wi-Fi network for idea demonstration, but the GPRS network can also be used for communication or even PLC where it is available. The cost of the sensor and the Raspberry Pi together was around Rs 1,500 only, while a typical smart meter costs around Rs 4,000. The cost can be further optimized by using alternate hardware and bulk procurement. We demonstrated an initial working prototype and we recognized that many improvement opportunities exist before such a solution can be used in the real world. The robustness and durability of the hardware and its casing, size of the apparatus, means of affixing it to various types of meters, and communication infrastructure are just some of the areas that need to be looked into. However, this idea does provide the opportunity to bring in cost saving, improved efficiency, and the power of near real time data collection and processing to a large number of customers who are currently untouched by the digital revolution as far as the meter data is concerned.
Hello, let me introduce you to Sparsh. Sparsh is a cloud-based energy management dashboard application. The operational dashboard solution consolidates key information from disparate data sources, including SCADA real-time information, historical trends, and measurements. So what's the cool quotient of the project? Sparsh is a next-generation solution that replaces the locally hosted web-based corporate applications. It's an access point for corporate officers to fetch and monitor information from power systems. It is a better solution for visualizing and analyzing the data than an Excel-based report. So how does it benefit the customers? For utilities, times have changed. Disruptive technologies have the capability to trigger rapid advancement in any given industry, yet their adoption is rarely linear. Increasing competition from non-traditional providers like Walmart and Amazon providing solar panels straight to the customer means local utility can no longer just keep the lights on to keep the business. Because of the increased competition, energy utilities are impacted by rapidly shifting customers' needs and expectations. Utilities are walking towards digitalization to keep up the pace. Siemens' solution towards digitalization is MindSphere. MindSphere, a cloud-based IoT operating system, is used as a platform to host Sparsh. MindSphere analytic services can be leveraged for anomaly detection, signal validation, and trend prediction, which can reduce the revenue losses of the utilities. Better insights to the electrical networks help the corporate officers to make reliable decisions to reduce the losses. A major selling factor for cloud-based services, especially for energy management, is that users can access their data, dashboard, analytics from any device and need not visit the utility nor wait for someone to send the data. So let's leap into the world of digitalization.